So now in the today's session we are going to see about converting between the data types. So we will try to understand this topic in very detail. So converting between data types in Python can be performed through the two main methods. What is the first method? Implicit type conversion, and second method is explicit type conversion, also known as typecasting. So explicit can also be called as a typecasting. So we will see what is implicit type conversion. Python automatically handles implicit type conversion when different data types are involved in an operation, typically converting a smaller data type to a larger one to avoid the data loss. So for example, adding an integer and a float will be result in a float, as the integer is implicitly converted to the float before the addition. So here you can see I have one variable integer underscore num is equal to 10. Another variable is, let's say, float underscore num is equal to 5.5, and another variable I am creating result is equal to integer underscore num plus float underscore num. So this will be converted to the float, and if we will print the result, output will be 10 plus 5.5, that is 15.5. and what is the type of this result? That is the float. So let me run this. Obviously this is very simple and easy to understand. So let me run the new code, paste the code in order to save the time, and let me run the code. So as you can see, integer underscore num, that is 10, and 5.5 addition is 15.5. so result is 15.5. result is the one variable in which two variable we are adding, integer underscore num and float underscore num. Okay, and integer underscore num is implicitly converted to the float, and type of result is float. Now what is the second method? Second method is explicitly type conversion method, that is also called as a typecasting. So explicit type conversion involves using built-in function to manually convert a value from one data type to another data type. This is necessary when implicit conversion does not occur, or when a specific data type is required for an operation. Let me see through the example so that you will have the clear-cut idea. Integer converts a value to an integer. Okay, so let's say we have one variable float underscore val is equal to 10.7, and we want to convert it to the integer. So integer underscore val is equal to integer of what? Float underscore val or value. So print integer value. So 10.7 is converted to the 10. It will be lower down. Let me run the code so that you will have the idea. As you can see here, if I am writing 10.99, again it will be displayed at 10. But if I am say 11.1, then it will be shown as a 11. Okay. Now what is the next? Float. So float converts a value to a floating point number. So let's say integer value is 25, and if you want to convert integer to float, so float value, that is float of integer value, that is the variable name, and if you want to print this, then this one will be displayed 25.0. Okay, this is very simple and easy to understand, but still if you have any doubt you can ask in the Q&A session. So integer underscore val is equal to 25, float underscore val is equal to float of what? Integer underscores val. So and print float underscores val, that is the 25.0. okay, and if we will print the type of this, it will be displayed as a float. Now next is string, converts a value to a string. So 123 num is equal to 123, and we want to convert string to the 123. So string is equal to num, and we can convert it to the 123. okay, so let me change, so numerical to the string. So as we can see, num is equal to 123, and string underscore num is equal to string of num, and print string of num. If we will print the type of print type of string num, that one will be displayed as a string. okay, initially it is 123, that is a integer, but now it has been converted to the string. Now next one is the boolean. So converts a value to a boolean, either true or false. So remember, 0 is the false and 1 is the true. So non-zero number or non-empty strings and non-empty collection evaluates to the true. okay, so let me see, value is equal to 0. So here initial value is our 0, right, and boolean underscores val is equal to boolean of value. So right now my value is 0, so it will be displayed as a false. But if I am extracting the same code, and here instead of 0, if I am changing to the 1, my output should be true. Let me check whether the true output is there or not. Now as you can see, my output is true. okay, so same thing is here. Now list or tuple or set convert iterable objects to list, tuple or set respectively. okay, so what that means, let's say we will have one string called hello, and we want to create the list of my string. okay, so it will be displayed as a HELLO. hello will be displayed as a separately, because string is now converted into the list. okay, so let me run this code. What is list, what is tuples, we will see in detail, but as of now you need to just check it out that this is how it works. So my string is the variable in which hello word is stored as a string. We want to convert my list as a, and we want to convert string to the list. So list of what? My string. So it will be print, let me print my list, so it will be print as a HELLO. Here if I am writing hello comma my name is Ashish, and if we will run it, so space will be also considered. As you can see, HELLO comma, then after this is the space, then after my, then after space, then after name, then after space, then after is, then after space, and then after Ashish. okay, let me remove this for the simplicity. So as a conclusion, what we can see, explicit conversion can lead to data loss if converting a smaller or less precise data type to a float, let's say for example float to integer, that truncates decimal part, because as we have seen 10.99 is converted to the 10, right? So our 0.99 values is going to be lost. Attempting to convert incompatible data types, so for example non-numeric string to an integer will raise value error. okay, that is very simple and easy to understand. So this is how we can use converting data types into the Python.